Minnesota requires a licensed electrician to perform electrical maintenance work, including in beef plants. This means anyone conducting electrical repairs, installations, or modifications within such facilities must hold a valid electrician's license issued by the state. The purpose of this requirement is to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. Licensed electricians have demonstrated the necessary knowledge, skills, and experience to perform electrical work safely and in accordance with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other applicable standards. Engaging an unlicensed individual for electrical work can result in fines, penalties, and potentially dangerous situations. Electrical systems in beef plants can be complex and hazardous, involving high voltages, heavy machinery, and specialized equipment. Improperly performed electrical work can lead to electric shocks, fires, equipment failures, and other serious consequences. Hiring a licensed electrician ensures that the work is done correctly, safely, and in compliance with all applicable regulations. It also provides assurance that the electrician is insured and bonded, protecting the facility owner from liability in case of accidents or damages. To verify an electrician's license status in Minnesota, you can typically use the state's online licensing database. This database allows you to search for licensed electricians by name, license number, or other criteria. It's essential to confirm that the electrician holds a valid and current license before hiring them for any electrical work. Furthermore, it's advisable to obtain multiple bids from licensed electricians and check their references before making a final decision. This will help ensure that you're getting a qualified and reputable electrician at a fair price. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by qualified professionals. By hiring a licensed electrician, you're protecting yourself, your employees, and your property from electrical hazards. In addition to the state licensing requirement, local jurisdictions may have their own regulations regarding electrical work. It's important to check with the local city or county to determine if any additional permits or inspections are required. Obtaining the necessary permits and inspections ensures that the electrical work is performed in compliance with all applicable codes and standards. Some common electrical tasks in beef plants that require a licensed electrician include installing and maintaining electrical panels, wiring for equipment and machinery, repairing electrical faults, and performing safety inspections. These tasks require specialized knowledge and skills to be performed safely and effectively. When hiring an electrician, be sure to clearly communicate your needs and expectations. Provide them with detailed information about the scope of work, the specific equipment involved, and any relevant safety concerns. This will help ensure that the electrician can provide an accurate estimate and perform the work to your satisfaction. Electrical safety is paramount in beef plants due to the presence of wet environments, heavy machinery, and other potential hazards. Regularly inspect electrical equipment and wiring for signs of damage or wear. Promptly repair any defects to prevent electrical shocks, fires, and equipment failures. Consider implementing a comprehensive electrical safety program that includes regular training for employees on electrical hazards and safe work practices. This can help prevent accidents and injuries. In addition to hiring a licensed electrician for electrical work, it's also advisable to consult with a qualified electrical engineer for complex electrical projects. An electrical engineer can provide expert advice on system design, load calculations, and other technical aspects of electrical systems. This can help ensure that the electrical system is safe, reliable, and efficient. Regular maintenance of electrical systems is crucial for preventing breakdowns and extending the lifespan of equipment. Develop a preventive maintenance schedule that includes regular inspections, testing, and cleaning of electrical components. This can help identify potential problems early on and prevent costly repairs down the road. Electrical systems in beef plants are often subject to harsh environments, including temperature extremes, humidity, and exposure to corrosive substances. Choose electrical equipment and materials that are specifically designed for these environments to ensure long-term reliability. Consider using corrosion-resistant conduit, wiring, and enclosures to protect against damage. In addition to the NEC, other applicable standards for electrical work in beef plants may include those published by organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE. Familiarize yourself with these standards and ensure that all electrical work is performed in compliance with them. Proper grounding of electrical systems is essential for safety. Ensure that all electrical equipment and wiring are properly grounded to prevent electric shocks and reduce the risk of fire. Regularly inspect grounding systems to ensure that they are functioning correctly. Surge protection devices can help protect sensitive electronic equipment from damage caused by voltage surges. Consider installing surge protection devices on electrical panels and at individual equipment locations. This can help prevent costly repairs and downtime. Arc flash hazards are a serious concern in electrical systems. Conduct arc flash hazard assessments to identify potential hazards and implement appropriate safety measures. This may include providing employees with personal protective equipment, such as arc-rated clothing and face shields. Lockout/tagout procedures are essential for preventing accidental energization of electrical equipment during maintenance and repair. Implement a comprehensive lockout/tagout program that includes written procedures, training, and regular audits. Use appropriate lockout/tagout devices to ensure that equipment is properly de-energized before work begins. Consider using infrared thermography to detect hotspots in electrical equipment. Infrared thermography can identify areas of excessive heat that may indicate loose connections, overloaded circuits, or other problems. This can help prevent equipment failures and fires. Uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS systems, can provide backup power in the event of a power outage. Consider installing UPS systems to protect critical equipment and prevent downtime. Regularly test UPS systems to ensure that they are functioning correctly. Harmonic distortion can cause problems in electrical systems, including overheating, equipment failures, and reduced efficiency. Consider using harmonic filters to reduce harmonic distortion and improve power quality. Power quality monitoring can help identify problems in electrical systems such as voltage sags, surges, and harmonic distortion. Install power quality monitors to track electrical parameters and identify potential issues. Energy efficiency is an important consideration in beef plants. Implement energy-efficient lighting, motors, and other equipment to reduce energy consumption and lower operating cost. Regularly inspect electrical systems for energy waste and implement corrective measures. Consider using variable frequency drives, or VFDs, to control the speed of motors and reduce energy consumption. VFD can adjust the motor speed to match the load requirements, resulting in significant energy savings. Power factor correction can improve the efficiency of electrical systems by reducing reactive power. Consider using power factor correction capacitors to improve power factor and reduce energy costs. Demand response programs can help reduce energy costs by shifting electricity usage to off-peak hours. Participate in demand response programs offered by your local utility company. Building automation systems can help control and monitor electrical systems, optimizing energy usage and improving efficiency. Consider installing a building automation system to manage lighting, HVAC, and other electrical equipment. Regular training is essential for employees who work with electrical equipment. Provide employees with training on electrical safety, lockout/tagout procedures, and other relevant topics. Keep training records up to date. Conduct regular safety audits to identify potential hazards and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Use a checklist to systematically evaluate electrical systems and work practices. Maintain accurate records of all electrical work, including inspections, repairs, and modifications. This will help track the history of the electrical system and identify potential problems. Regularly review and update electrical drawings to ensure that they accurately reflect the current configuration of the electrical system. Keep electrical drawings readily available for reference. Stay up to date on the latest electrical codes and standards. Attend industry conferences and training courses to learn about new technologies and best practices. Network with other professionals in the electrical industry to share knowledge and learn from their experiences. Collaborate with your local utility company to identify opportunities for energy efficiency and cost savings. Participate in utility-sponsored programs and incentives. Consider using renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power, to generate electricity and reduce your reliance on the grid. Conduct a feasibility study to determine the potential for renewable energy at your facility. Implement a comprehensive electrical safety management system that includes written policies, procedures, and training. Assign responsibility for electrical safety to a qualified individual or team. Continuously improve your electrical safety program based on feedback from employees, audits, and incident investigations. Create a culture of safety where employees are encouraged to report hazards and participate in safety initiatives. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with a licensed electrician or qualified electrical engineer for specific electrical projects or concerns. Failure to comply with electrical codes and standards can result in serious consequences, including fines, penalties, and potential liability. Prioritize electrical safety to protect yourself, your employees, and your property. By following these guidelines and working with qualified professionals, you can ensure that the electrical systems in your beef plant are safe, reliable, and efficient. Remember to always prioritize safety and compliance when working with electricity. Ignoring these aspects can lead to serious consequences.